Hi, my name is Efraim Hore, but you can call me EJ. I'm a master data specialist for more than 6 years. And those years, I spent 5 years in SuperValue Incorporated and almost a year in my current job at Aspen Business Solutions. Most of my duties in SVI are SAP Master Data Maintenance, which includes creating and updating material. While at Aspen, my role is more on SAP data migration of flexible real estate. Before I got in the professional world, I studied Bachelor of Science in Information Technology in National University, Manila from year 2013 to 2018. I learned a lot from the experience, mainly in making data processing fast and efficient. Acquired knowledge from my mentors and errors that helped me to be focused on data accuracy, completeness, and consistency. I'm sincerely pleased of my accomplishments, which includes being service awardee in Super Value and motivated to be the best in Aspen. In my free time, I like working out in the gym, play basketball, driving a car, and also like hanging out with my friends and family. Thank you.